Hi, this is Lincoln Tony Parts Pro today with a 2018 Volkswagen Amarok, stock number 6863. It's ran from the 4th, 2016 to the 9th, 2022. It has a DDXC 3-litre V6 diesel turbo engine backed by an 8-speed automatic transmission. This is a DDXC 3-litre V6 turbo diesel engine. Left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 19-inch factory nagger tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate dents along the top edge, right hand tail light, right rear 19-inch factory nagger tyre, right rear door one dent, right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front 19-inch factory nagger tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory single stack sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,